Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm about to reveal 50 incredible brand new products that just hit the market. You won't want to miss these game changers. Stick around to see what's next. And remember, direct links to individual product can be found in the description underneath this video. Drop a comment on your favorite product for a chance to win it totally free of charge. The Fontic F2 Master features a brushless hollow cup motor that reduces noise by 30% compared to standard motors. With a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM, it delivers stronger performance and less heat. 5 adjustable speed settings make it easy to handle various precision tasks. It has a Revistore hub. No more searching for attachments. The F2 Master features a 360-degree rotating magnetic stand with 35 organized accessories, 3 32nd-inch or 2.3 millimeters, making DIY tasks like grinding, polishing, drilling, and engraving easy and convenient. Complicated setups are a thing of the past. Easily reconfigure and sync the light switches in your home without running any wires. This allows units to function through walls without line of sight. No Wi-Fi, remote control, Bluetooth, or phone apps necessary. Multiple channel options allow for various simultaneous configurations. The perfect solution for controlling lighting by room or area. Save money and time. The Plunger toilet can only take 2 minutes to unclog toilet. No need to call a plumber anymore. Save your money and time. Versatile use. This electric plunger is a versatile tool that can unclog toilets, drains, and sewers with ease. Designed with stronger high pressure up to 6 bar. More effective than other traditional manual toilet plungers. Say goodbye to long waiting times. Our QFUN Laminator Machine heats up in just 60 seconds, allowing you to start laminating instantly. With a remarkable laminating speed of up to 450 millimeters per minute, it's 60% more efficient than other laminators, ensuring you finish your projects in no time. No more slowing down due to sluggish speeds. Take your projects to new heights and revolutionize your laminating experience. The 18x56 Razor UHD binos use an Abbey Koenig prism design and provide ultra-high definition, optical quality for unparalleled resolution, sharpness, color, and light transmission. Includes an exclusive green glass pack pro harnesses and rangefinder pouch. Ultimate anti-reflective coatings on all air-to-glass surfaces provide maximum light transmission for peak clarity and the pinnacle of low-light performance. The ergonomic height-adjustable TPE handle is designed for multiple pushing positions and users of different heights, designed for both teenagers and adults. With 9.5-inch front and two 11.5-inch rear maintenance-free EVA cover wheels with ball bearings, provide a smooth ride and perfect traction on all kinds of terrain. Avid Power Car Air Pump provides you with rest-assured using experience based on the auto shutoff function. Preset the desired pressure level and start inflating job. The car air compressor will shut off automatically at the desired level. Fast inflation. This tire air compressor delivers up to 30 liters per minute airflow with a powerful motor. It can inflate a standard tire from 0 to 30 pounds per square inch in less than 5 minutes. With 6 stainless steel trays providing 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, allowing you to dry more food at once. Equipped with a 600-watt motor, rear-mounted drying fan, and upgraded airflow technology for faster, more even drying without manual intervention. New upgrade, Kinetic Art Perpetual Motion Machine is made of high-quality plastic. The difference with the old-fashioned Perpetual Motion Machine? Advantages: 1 mute, 2 continuous use, 3 touch switch. Safe and stable, easy to use. 1 key to open, 1 key to close. Cuisinart quality technology promises superior crust, color, and texture. UC cubic feet, 1.180, 12 pre-programmed menu options, fully automatic, easy to use 3 crust shades. Light vertical baking pan for counter-friendly compact design. Removable kneading paddle and bread pan. Lid with viewing window to monitor the process. Interior light to check bread as it bakes. 2-in-1 electric spin scrubber. This multifunctional scrubber features a removable telescopic handle for versatile cleaning. Weighing just 1.6 pounds, it's easy to use, reducing fatigue. It cuts cleaning time from 1 hour to 30 minutes for bathrooms, tubs, kitchens, and floors, making your cleaning routine quicker and more efficient. Delivering smart living with ambient lighting surround. Our large 11.8-inch wide shower head allows for full body water coverage for your most satisfying shower yet. Enjoy the feeling of true luxury with our generously sized design that never leaves you in the cold. Best of both worlds. Enjoy all the perks of a fixed overhead shower without sacrificing the convenience of using a flexible handheld attachment. The cabinet clamps work on styles from 1.5-inch to 2-inch thickness each, with 4-inch opening capacity, minimum jaw width, 2.95 inch. Maximum jaw width, 5.3 inch. Alignment plate. Depth, 1.25 to 1.5 inch. Drill bit, 1/8 inch. Drill hole, 1/4 inch. It comes with 3 felt pads for the clamp faces and alignment plate to avoid leaving marks on your cabinet. This deluxe gadget bag is capable of fitting 1 camcorder body with 1 stabilizer. Interior comes with 7 adjustable dividers for custom fit, convenient for all accessories. Additionally, while showcasing 2 large fully padded zippered side pockets and 1 extra wide fully padded zippered front pocket for added storage fitting for all gear. Camera mount securely holds DSLR, compact and point-and-shoot cameras during any physical activity. Access your camera fast with a quick release button that withstands over 200 pounds of force, attaches to any strap belt up to 2.25 inches, 5.7 centimeters wide, and 0.6 inches, 1.5 centimeters thick. Can fit wider straps if the strap is compressible. 10 USB-A fast charging ports. Charges up to 10 devices at once. It can automatically recognize your devices, distribute the perfect charge to each charging device individually and simultaneously. Charging will automatically stop when the battery is full. Surge protection keep your appliances safe. This Mandoline food slicer's built-in blades design prevents your hands from being cut. You can easily and safely process vegetables chopper and fruit slicer. Updated larger capacity and diameter make chopping vegetable food easier and faster than a typical Mandoline. Recommend for a newbie in cooking, old person, child, etc. Extra thick. 3/4 inch foam mat is extremely comfortable and engineered to help keep you supported. Premium foam inner layer for strong rebound and maximum support. Your feet will thank us later. High-density foam construction provides superior ergonomic support to help keep you comfortable. TW-283 supports autofocus, single shooting, continuous shooting, bulb shooting, delay shooting, and timer schedule shooting. Delay shooting setting can set delay time and number of shots. Delay time alters from 1 second to 59 seconds, and number of shots alters from 1 to 99. Timer schedule shooting. Timer functions can be set to 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds in 1 second increments. Discover unparalleled muscle pain, relief and soreness alleviation with the Chirp RPM Mini. Its percussive technology targets deep muscle tissue, promoting faster recovery and enhanced relaxation. Take charge of your massage experience with the Chirp RPM Mini. Quick, easy curls for beginners. Tymo Curl Pro automatic rotating. Curling iron features one-click auto rotation, taking the hassle out of styling and creating consistent beach waves every time. In just 10 minutes, you're ready to go with fabulous curls. No burning risks, no tangles. The automatic rotating hair curler is safe for both kids and adults. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, saute pan, and food warmer. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Thinner streamline probes can be used with thinner cuts of meat. 5 sensors in each probe to give you perfect results every time. Up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit heat resistance so you can track every phase of your cook, searing included. 4 probes. Monitor up to 4 pieces of meat at the same time or track different parts of a large roast. Perfect for large gatherings in the everyday meal. The Preacher Value Adapter is a separate accessory that can be used to connect the preacher to a computer or other device. In just 25 seconds, the HOTO mini bike tire pump can inflate a 700 by 23C road bike tire from 80 to 100 psi. Moreover, it can also inflate a flat road bike tire, 0 to 80 psi, in only about 60 seconds. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it's suitable for all types of bike tires and motorbikes. Special construction site receiver for calling elevator. With storage battery, normal work without connecting power supply, 5 to 6 hours of standby time. Can also work with power adapter. Registered number cannot be registered again. Avoid repeated registration to the same number. Display 3 groups of double-digit number at the same time. Prompt modes, ding-dong, alarming sound, voice report. Can work with 199 pagers at most. This is a customer review. The Wapke Cruise 80 is one of the best keyboards I've used. Its CNC aluminum build is solid, premium, and flexible. The stock keys are smooth, satisfying, and sound great. The RGB lighting is bright, clean, and customizable. In summary, if you want a keyboard that looks and feels amazing without much tweaking, the Cris 80 is the way to go. The massage hammer features an easy-to-grip extended handle and an ergonomic 120-degree curve design that seamlessly conforms to the physiological curvature of the human spine. Unlike ordinary massage guns, our deep tissue massage gun with flexible arms makes it easy to relax your back, neck, shoulders, waist, legs, arms, and other hard-to-reach areas without help. Portable, foldable, and magnetically quick. Take this compact gimbal on all your adventures. Snap in and out with ease with the magnetic clamp to capture the second you want to shoot. Stay on point with ActiveTrack 6.0. With upgraded tracking tech, OMSE sticks to your energetic kids or playful pets like glue. You can even make it track yourself. Become the star of your own film without needing anyone's help. 10-in-1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté pan, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake baker, and steamer. The included 28 program settings are perfect for a selection of essential meals. 5 programmable settings for your own special recipes. Pressure cook to save time and retain more flavor, or slow cook for traditional recipes. Smart cooking monitor, which is perfect for getting started on your own, or a great gift for anyone who cooks. The included plastic charger is lightweight, sturdy, and designed for everyday use, making it easy to keep your thermometer ready for action. 1 AA battery is all it takes to charge the probe within the black charger included. With a built-in dual-stage air pump, our SUP pump is up to 20 psi. Due to its powerful performance, it inflates a 10.6-foot SUP to 12 psi in just 7 minutes and to 15 psi in 10 minutes. When fully charged, it can inflate 4 SUPs, 10.6 feet, to 12 psi. Spend less time inflating and enjoy more fun. With 4,000 milliamp hour rechargeable batteries, you can inflate your SUP anywhere. Experience soothing hand relaxation with independent airbag zones that apply gentle yet effective air compression to your fingers, palms, and wrists. Designed to mimic a rhythmic hand massage, this technology helps reduce stiffness and relieve hand fatigue caused by long hours of typing or manual work. The soft dotted fabric enhances pressure distribution, ensuring a comfortable and immersive massage experience. Wireless car adapter for Android Auto. The MA1 is a more simple and safe way to access your Android phone while driving, and is the world's first and only USB adapter accessory using Google licensed bridge technology to enable a wireless Android Auto connection in cars, trucks, or motorcycles with factory-fitted wired Android Auto. Detects bugs with very low signals and high-power bugs alike. Also detects a wider range of bugs at 70 decibel sensitivity, including those with very weak signals and those with especially high power. This gives you access to a much wider range of bugs than most other anti-spy devices. Detection range is up to 16 feet in all directions. When set to security mode, it warns you if a spy device appears anywhere within 164 feet. You'll have peace of mind with this two-way safety device that allows you to connect with 911 dispatchers or family with the click of a button. Communicate directly with emergency personnel or loved ones in the event of a medical or safety event. This at-home device for seniors or those with a handicap uses your existing landline phone service to connect you with EMS personnel, police and fire, as well as your family and friends. Thanks for watching. If you loved any of these products, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment letting me know which one was your favorite.